traffic jam in downtown Pugwash. Who would have thunk it? Dave Coleman just arrived. And we're off to a big adventure. What time is it now? 35 minutes later than I wanted to leave, but anyway, we have to do this safely. Dave came across a motorcycle accident on the way and another accident, so we just gotta be really careful today. Longest time getting out of the city. Yeah. It's just gorgeous farm country right now. Meaning right now that crops are growing, it's nice and green, yellow, and the wheat, and the hay. Rivers. Although this is a very straight stretch, there's different elevations, as you can see up over here, the farm back up there. So we'll go through some valleys and the like, so it is quite picturesque. Riding wise, it's just straightforward, right? Right now it's about 21 degrees, which is quite nice. I'm in short sleeves underneath my jacket, and I don't have a liner. So it's just a touch cool on my arms. But it beats the sweltering heat, that's for sure. So I think we're going to have nice temperatures today. So I'm pleased about that. Dave is right behind me. He just got a new to him trophy, Triumph trophy. So he's getting used to that. He once had a ST 1100 like myself. Then he had a 2004 1300. But he wanted a little more bells and whistles. So he's going to give it a good run right now, but heading out to Newfoundland, first big trip. So, anyway, well, I'll sign in a little bit later. Got a gorgeous day. Well, unfortunately, Dave had a little issue, but it's all fixed now. We'll be off and running soon. Right, Dave? We're going to be off and running soon, right? Cool. Well, we are just filling up. Art is over on the other side. Dave is getting his fuel. And we're going to go along the coast of the St. Lawrence. And then head into New Brunswick. We are heading towards Quebec City. I had some GPS issues. It's the way it goes. So we decided to take the A40 to Quebec City. And after we cross the river, I think we'll be able to scoot along the back roads. Art is in front of me as well as Dave. Dave's leading because his GPS is a little bit more dependable than mine. Right now it's hovering around 21 degrees Celsius. We have some beautiful rivers, scenery, which you can't see. We'll have a nice day. We're going to lose an hour once we get into New Brunswick. Started a little later today by about an hour, which is unfortunate. But that's the way things are. Crossing the river now from St. Lawrence. Just on the outskirts of Quebec, going to the south side of St. Lawrence. We stopped for lunch in St. Louis de Haha. Picturesque. Quite nice here. We had a very good lunch. And now I believe we're heading towards Sackville, New Brunswick. And we're going to go via Plaster Rock. So that's the game plan. So far, the ride's been very good. And we're doing it. There's a beautiful view over here. Basically on the Trans-Canada at the moment. Hopefully we will switch in a while. All will be good. Do some more. We're looking actually for Highway 108, and that'll be a while before we get there. granted. We still have to cross into New Brunswick. We're still in Quebec, and we'll cross the border in about 20 kilometers or so, 20, 30 kilometers. Road winding up through there. Over here is the lake. Stretches for quite a bit. We're in here. Over there, people are sailing. It is really spectacular. Good morning. Had a pleasant night in Sackville, New Brunswick. And today I'm riding solo. I'm heading to Pugwash. To visit someone that I haven't seen since I was 10 years old. I think, something like that. Maybe 12. It's on my route towards the Cabot Trail. So I'm taking the Sunrise Trail. Pretty much follows the coast of the ocean. Or the Northumberland Strait. That's probably it. Had all sorts of escapades yesterday. Front fender flew off on a Triumph, and then one of the fellows hit a pothole rather badly and bent his rims, enough so that air leaked out of his tire and he had a flat. And we were out in the middle of nowhere when that happened. No cell service. Anyway, that got sorted out. Those two combos basically put us behind 2-3 hours on our trip. The campground that we had booked was closed, and we ended up in Sackville at close to 11 o'clock at night and picked a hotel room. So we're each going our separate ways today. We have different agenda. And we will meet up at Baddeck tonight. That's the plan, anyway. As Charlie Senawan would say, though, the plan is no plan. And in a way, I have no real plan, but I have a plan. You can smell the ocean air. It's great. There's the Pugwash Yacht Club. Who would have known? downtown Pugwash. Who would have thunk it? Yeah, I'll just go up and back. It'll be fine.